Hello, friends. You're welcome back to my channel. Glad to have you here. If this is your first time, you're very much welcome. We've been on the JavaScript series, and you can get this course. It's actually a free course on freecodecamp.org. You can get this course and begin your own JavaScript journey. It's very easy to understand, and I've been taking the lessons there one after the other, teaching them and solving them. So if you're an upcoming developer or you just want to sharpen your JavaScript skills or or even if you're experienced, I'll encourage you to stay here with us and you could learn something and I could also learn something from you. So thank you so much for watching or for being here once again. Don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment and yeah, let's get right into this lesson. The title of this lesson is Mutate an Array Declared with Const. Okay, so the const declaration has many use cases in modern JavaScript. Some developers prefer to assign all their variables using const by default, unless they know they will need to reassign the value. Only in that case, they use let. However, it's important to understand that objects, including arrays and functions assigned to a variable using const, are still mutable. They can be changed, right, or altered. Using the const declaration only prevents reassignment of the variable identifier. So this is, a constant that was assigned, an array, and then here we are trying to reassign it. This line will result in an error. Okay, because we have a const here, a const keyword, and you shouldn't reassign, const values. But then this would work. You could mutate it, all right? You could change a particular element in our array, in this array, but you can't reassign your, the constant s. So that is how the const keyword works. I hope that makes sense. As you can see, you can mutate the object 567 itself, and the variable s will still point to the altered array. Like all arrays, the array elements in S are mutable, but because const was used, you cannot use the variable identifier S to point to a different array using the assignment operator. In our short exercise, we are asked to do this. An array is declared as const s equal to 572. Change the array to 257 without using element assignment. So we've touched on something like this when we're learning about arrays, and I believe it shouldn't be, hard to do. It should be very straightforward. So we are asked to simply change this to 257. So we can do this using this bracket notation. The first element will be 2. We set the first element to 2, the second to 5. Okay, the second to be 1 to 5, and the third one to, why did I make this mistake? Third one to 7. All right, so I hope you understand why we have 0 here. Remember that arrays are, they use a 0 index pattern. That means the index of the first element in your array is 0, the second one is 1, and so on and so forth. So just as we always do, let's let's go ahead and console.log our s. We have 257. Formerly it was 572. Let me just comment this out so you can see that it was 572 and now it's 257. But then if you try to do something like, s equals 257, you're going to get an error because, yeah, it is read only. You can't reassign const variables. But if I change this to let, it should take away the error, but that's not what we are doing here. So let's just go ahead and do what we are asked to do and run the tests, and you can see that it works. So I hope that made sense. I hope you learned something. It's quite easy, I know. And thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.